Hello everyone. So today I'm going to share with you, as promised, the second part of the discussion which we did the last video. So today I'll be touching on few aspects that how we are perceiving things around us. So we know that we are collecting the information from our sense organs, the five sense organs, but based on our belief system, we are filtering the information. How this belief system has come? This belief system has come from the experiences I have seen in my life, throughout my life, right? So the first thing is, in the filtering process, is distortion, second one is deletion, and third one is generalization. So I would like to touch on these 3 points. Now what is happening? I am collecting the information from the environment and I am not passing the same information as it is to my mind. I am putting a filtering process and misrepresenting the same information, right? And that's the reason I always complain about my life, because I don't see or perceive the world the way how it is, but through my own lenses, right? So say for an example, you are going in a road and you have seen your friend coming to you, and you have a set belief that no one likes you, no one wants to be friend with you, no one wants to talk to you, and you have called that person's name who is your friend, and this person has started running, and he ran and he just runs. Now what is the one thing which will come in your mind? The first thing which will come in your mind is, see, no one likes me, no one wants to become friend of me, right? I think there is some problem with me. But in factual, what happened? This person was wearing an earphone, and that's the reason he was not able to hear your voice. And he was running towards the bus which he wants to catch and go to some place. Now see, the actual fact is something, and the misrepresentation is something based on my own belief. Second thing is deletion. So in deletion, what is happening? I am always telling to myself that whenever I get a lot of money, I am unable to save. I don't have money at all. I think I have to change my job to get more salary so that I am able to take care of myself. So this particular fact that I don't have money is not the fact. The fact is that I am not able to spend the money the way how it is required. I am either spending more or in unnecessary things. Now this particular part I am not considering. I am just considering that I don't have money. So this is the second part, nothing but deletion. Third one is generalization. In generalization, what happens? From the time we have taken birth until now, we have heard from many people, sometimes from our family, sometimes from our environment, that this group of people are not good, or this community of people are not good, or the people who are from this particular country is not good. There is no fact behind it, right? But this is what we have heard, and we have grown up listening that, and we perceive that this is the truth. And that's the reason whenever we talk about certain religion, we say that no, they are not good. There is no fact to it, but it is just my generalization, which is putting all those people who come into that particular religion goes into that particular category, that you don't like them, right? So it's very important that we consider and perceive the things the way how it is, and try not to put these three things, that is deletion, distortion and generalization, in taking a decision. Hope you have liked my video. Thank you so much, and requesting you to kindly comment, like and share my videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.